everyone. Yes, welcome back to my channel. And I hope you all are doing practice regularly to become confident and fluent in English. Yes or no? Just tell me in the comment section. Okay, so today we are going to learn something new that is very small but very powerful and very important. Okay, we can, if you feel confused, where to use this, where to use that, where to use those, and where to use these, then yes, this is the right video for you. So just continue till the end so that you will get clear with that where to use this, those, that, and this. Okay, so let's first move towards THIS, where we can use THIS. For example, if thing is singular, if thing is singular and that thing is near to you, then we can use THIS. For example, let's see, this is the pen. This is my pen. I am using THIS. Why I am using THIS? Because this pen is singular and near to me. Yes. So here we can use THIS. And next one is that. Where we can use that? If the thing is singular. Yes, thing is singular, but that thing is far from you. Okay, then we can use that. For example, that buildings are beautiful. That building is not near to us, it's far away from us. That's why we can use here that. Moving towards, these are THIS and THAT, that. These both are talking about singular thing. And now we will move towards plural things. Okay, so for example, first is these, THESE. Where we can use these? When the things are many, not singular. When the things are many and that things is near to us. For example, take the example of these are books. Yes, books is just near to me and they are many. That's why I am using THESE. Yes. And next is THOSE. Those. Where we can use those? When the things are many but that far away from us, not near to us, far away from us, then we can use THOSE. For example, those buildings are beautiful, those parks are really nice, like that we can use those, THOSE. So just see simple meaning that when the thing is near to you and thing is singular, then we can use THIS, this, and THAT, that. And when the things are far from you and that is plural, many things, then we can use THAT, that, and THOSE, those. Yes, that's it. That much is the simple thing that. So if you watch this video till the end, then yes, I think you are get clear with that, where to use these, those, that, and these. Yes. So dogs are beautiful. Just comment me in the comment section what we can use here. Blank, dogs are beautiful. Okay, if you know what we can use, then yes, you are ready now. Yes, so that is the simple topic today. This, that, those, these, but these are very powerful topics, so we can use our daily language, means our daily routine also. This is powerful, small but powerful. Yes. So if you like this video, then just comment me in the comment section, and also give the answer of my question also in the comment section. So yes, and that's it for today. Yes, that. that's it for today. We will meet tomorrow. And if you love this, like this video, then just comment me in the comment section, and also like, subscribe, and share to my channel as much as you can. Okay, so that's it for today. We will meet tomorrow with our new video. Okay, so yes, bye bye and have a nice day. Thank you.